In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how I protect my music for free in just 4 minutes and how you can do the same. And if you want more tips and techniques to turn your music into a profitable career, make sure to follow. So here is how I do it. And just so you know, I am not earning any commission by promoting the service. I just think it's great and I think every artist can benefit from it. So here's what I do. I go to musicstart.com, I log myself in, enter my password. Since I'm a member of French PRO SACEM, this is free to me. And by the way, on my channel, I've got another video about why you should join other PROs. And SACEM is actually a great choice for that, as it's one of the PROs that collects and pays the most. So make sure to check it out. Now back to it. But if you're not a member of SACEM, you can join for only $4.99 a month and protect as much music or lyrics as you want. So once you're logged in, I'm just gonna set it to English here. There you go. Once you're logged in, you can just click on Protect Your Creation. This is the interface. And this space shows up where you can drag and drop your audio file or even text or image file if you want to protect lyrics. So I just drop anything. The file is there. The song is called If Not Me. I can preview it if I want. Just click next. You then ask if you want to link this to an existing creation or create a new entry in your catalog. I'll select new creation. If not me, then who? That's the title. At this point often, I'll enter a temporary title, as most songs I work on get their definitive title from what my co-writer will come up with in terms of lyrics. So make sure you keep a record of that temp title if you do the same. I personally use my custom Notion template for that. And if you want it, the link is in the description below. So the next step now is selecting a genre for that entry. I'll go ahead and select pop, then select your role in this. I'm the composer. I'm also the arranger, as a matter of fact. Then hit next. You can select multiple, obviously. And the last step is entering your co-creators, if you have any. At this point, I don't have any, but if you did, you could just select yes, and you could enter a co-creator by just adding this plus icon thing here. Select their role, that would be an author. I would enter their first name, last name, email address, and then I will just hit next and we'll go straight to the next page that I will see now when I hit no. So this is a summary page of everything we've done so far. And if everything checks out after a few minutes tops, you'll receive an email about this and you'll be able to find this new piece of work in this My Creations tab. It's just populating right now. Wait a second. And there it is. As you can see, the status isn't complete yet, which is what I was saying before. It just usually takes a few minutes for you to get the confirmation, get the email that everything has been recorded and saved. And once it's there, you can actually click on it and see the deposit proof with the timecode on the blockchain and the timestamp. Since it's not there yet, I'll just use another one to show you what you receive. You just click on this deposit proof thing here, and this is what you have. It's written in French for some reason. I mean, even if you register your song in English, for whatever reason, it still is completely written in French since it's a French thing. But you know what? I'll just actually email them about this. So you've got everything in here. You've got your hash code from the blockchain because it's a blockchain thing. It's the same technology that is used in crypto and everything. And you've got your timestamp confirming that you are probably the very first person to have registered this piece of music, this piece of audio on the blockchain. So if anything happens in the future, you're protected. Audio can be retrieved with the hash on the blockchain, and this is proof that you were the very first person to actually save this piece of music. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments and follow for more.